Hello there everyone, welcome back to Ants Authority. Today we will discuss about the topic what type of ants do not have wings. In this video we will discuss about this topic in detail, so let's start the video. Workers or sterile female ants in a colony don't have wings because they don't have to engage in a nuptial flight due to different functions, as their task is to collect food and feed larvae. Wings can interfere with their foraging and hauling activities because they have smaller bodies. Variation in the colony is essential for the colony's survival as they cannot perform similar functions. Accordingly, the insects evolve over time and get rid of non-functional body parts. A colony consists of different castes based on their physical appearance and functionality. You can find both winged and sterile female members there according to their functionality. Queens possess larger muscular structures which are attached to their thorax region and serve two purposes. They can help fly higher to mate and attract males from different colonies. Secondly, they are used for nourishment after landing on the ground when they cannot leave their nest and use these muscles to get nutrition and feed larvae. In addition, the male ants also possess two pairs of wings that can help them chase excited female when she flies into the air. However, female workers do not have these muscular structures as they do not need them. You cannot find any foraging or non-foraging worker with these flying muscles because they are not born with these structures on the external surface of their bodies. Furthermore, their lifestyle and challenges are pretty different from the colony's reproductive members, making them physically different as their bodies evolve over time. Almost every ant colony has sterile workers. The remaining males and females are reproductive and possess these distinguishing features. However, the army ant queens look like their workers and only males of their colonies have such flying capabilities and reach the queen's nest by leaving their nest. Some ants in a colony do not possess wings for different reasons, including their needs and functionality, as they do not need to fly or mate. Queens use their wings as a source of nutrition when they cannot leave their nest or go out to collect food. These fertile females are not good foragers as they can only reproduce. Accordingly, these get removed after mating and the queen eats these detached flying muscles to get nutrition and avoid starvation. However, workers are born to forage and collect food. They can fulfill their nutritional requirements by locating the food source and consuming the nutritional elements. Moreover, they do not hesitate walking over several miles because their smaller bodies support movement and allow them to haul the food particles back to the nest to store for the future. Accordingly, workers do not need nutrition from these flying muscles as they have many other options to survive, meet their hunger and fulfill energy requirements. There is a difference in the function of winged colony members because workers have to perform daunting tasks like carrying heavy food particles. However, these flying muscles allow queens to fly higher in the air for reproduction and raising the population. The workers do not need to fly as they can crawl on the ground to reach the food source. Some of them are good at jumping using their legs that are strong enough to tolerate the stress. Moreover, they can move on rough surfaces using their sticky feet when they have to crawl over the tree trunk or water pipes to reach the apartment's upper floor. Their body strength, 6 legs and power of smell are enough to survive as they can locate food by smelling the particles and protect themselves from predators by running faster. Workers lack wing-like structure because their bodies are smaller enough to carry them. They have evolved and removed the unnecessary part of their bodies over time. It becomes difficult for foragers to crawl by having massive structures on their bodies. However, queens can carry these flying muscles because they are twice of workers' body size. They can efficiently maintain these structures due to lesser movement and bigger bodies, but sterile female workers cannot deal with the unnecessary burden. Moreover, they continuously move from one place to another and climb different surfaces, so dealing with the additional weight will be difficult. Thanks for watching the video.